We're back in the kitchen and today we're making a low calorie, high protein salmon poke bowl. Super easy to execute. Let's get into it. For our protein today, we're using some Tassie smoked salmon. We've got 150 grams. We've got a cup of white rice. We've got some cucumber, some coleslaw, and a little bit of low fat mayonnaise. Let's get into it. This recipe is super simple. All you need to do is microwave the rice, chuck it straight in. Part two, we're gonna add in our vegetables. So chucking in our coleslaw on the one side, then we put our cucumber straight down the middle. From there, we're gonna chuck in all our salmon, just placing it on the side. From there, just chucking on a little bit of mayonnaise onto both the salmon and your vegetables. High protein salmon poke bowls, 43 grams of protein, 578 calories. Took us under a minute to prep. Feel free to give this one a go.